Hi friends, and thank you for stopping by onto my channel. My name is Charity from Charles Mash Fab Designs, and I just wanted to share with you some of the work that I actually do. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So I absolutely love to turn a wine glass into something beautiful. For example, this bad boy right here. So what I tend to do is just find some wine glasses, which you can find in any supermarket at all, and basically you just buy the stones, which come in a packet or a box. It depends where you live, and then I buy the diamond ribbon, which I also decided to put right in the middle just to break the stones that way around. So that it doesn't become overpowering. And then at the bottom of it, I decided to add more of the ribbon, and then right at the base I added some more stones onto the glass. So this piece can be used for any decoration whatsoever. You can put it in the middle of a table, you can put it in the bathroom, you can put it for whatever. I would be very gentle with it because it can be pretty heavy because of the stones, and obviously you don't want to break, so less handling would be a better word for that. You want to put it in an area where there's no traffic, so that it's just a piece that you can just admire and enjoy to look at. Also, I wouldn't recommend putting drinks in it as well. It would just it's really not ideal for that, mainly for decorative purposes, like I said. So this is one of the wine glasses that I've decorated. I've got another one here which I used some beads, and these I bought them in the Christmas shop. I love Christmas time because this is when you find a lot of gems that you don't really get during the any other season. So you've got all sorts of colors. I love color, love color. So this one is from the beads. You can find them in the Christmas shop, and I mean any other craft store you will be able to find some of the decorative beads in there, but you might not get all the colors necessarily. Just shop around and see what you can do. So with this one I decided to put just one flower in there, and also some rocks. And there you go. You just add it onto your table again. It will be a lovely decoration. It goes, if you're doing a themed party, definitely if you have a few more of these, it will look absolutely amazing on the table. So there you go. And I've got this other one which I made recently, and this is for my living room, and this is an empty jar which I then added this ribbon. I love those squares. I love that ribbon. So I've just added it to the top of the jar, and then I had some gemstones as well, which I just attached to the sides. You can be as creative as you want. There's no rules to this, as long as you look at the jar and see what kind of style that you want to do on it, and once it's completed, it just looks amazing. So this is this is a jar that I've made, and in the middle of it I've just put again those Christmas beads in the middle, and nobody will even know that they're for Christmas, to be honest, as long as they're decorated nicely and put in really well. They just add a bit of color to that vase, and I've put in my flowers. Love that color, I hope it does it justice. Yep. Okay, and then another jar which I transformed, and once again I'm telling you, you'll be saving a lot of money if you go down this route, because obviously let's face it, if you are planning anything big, or even for example decoration in your own home, use the things that you have around the house and then you transform it. If you're anything like me who loves to change the house every now and again, this is a cheaper way of doing it, but the look is expensive, and that's all I was going for. So you've got this simple jar, which I then added a blue ribbon in the middle and then the silver one at the top, in the sides, and at the bottom. I also painted the bottom white so that it's just a bit of touch really. And so this jar has got like pretty little flowers there, and it gives it a bit of character. So I mean, go for it, girls. Honestly, go for it. Whatever you fancy, whatever you feel like. This is another one, which was a plain vase, and it's quite big. And I added that ribbon onto it as well, all the way around. And I use glue gun, and also I use super glue. So some of these were attached with glue gun and some of them were attached with super glue. It's just one strip of ribbon, so you can attach it whichever way you want. I will show you some of that as well. So I've got this jar and also this big one as well, and now they look like a set because I've used the same ribbon on both of them, yet I bought them in two different shops. How amazing is that? And this can be used with anything and everything. So you can put your flowers in there, you can fill that up with any more of the Christmas beads. So these are like some of the Christmas beads that I get. These are the green ones, which I've used on more glasses. I just wrapped around the bottom of the glass with it. So all this are just beads, and the moment you add them into there, that's it. And then you can put some candles, you can put flowers, you can put anything in the middle of it and put it in the center of the table. Voila, beautiful. So that's it, guys. This is what I love to do, and I am up for giving any suggestions or getting suggestions from you as well. If there's anything else that you would like me to show you in terms of how to attach them onto the wine glass, I can show you that. Like say I use glue gun, and I use these glue gun sticks with my glue gun. I also use super glue, like with the gems. These gems I actually used super glue to attach them to my recently jar. And who would ever know that it was a jar? Nobody, because that's how glass works. You can transform it into anything. I've got more empty jars that are waiting to be decorated, and once I can either paint them and then add my gems around it, or you can write on your glassware. And this is a super cool thing that's actually becoming more popular these days. So ladies, get your wine glasses out. And like I say, I live in the UK, and these glasses, wine glasses, are like £6 for a pack of three, £3 for a pack of six. So you can actually, if you're decorating a table, and imagine you've got all these in the same color on the table. Wow. Okay, it's just wow. That's what I'm trying to go for in my decoration. You can choose to do what you want in yours as well, and anything goes. You just use the items that you have at home. A few exceptions by adding extras, but this is what I love to do. And if anybody wants me to show them anything else, hit me up in the comments. Like and share my video. Thank you. I'll see you on the next chapter. Bye.